Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful embossed like pattern, and this pattern is called as Bobblet Pattern. And this bobblets are created by extra extended single crochets. So those single crochets make the stitch appear like bobblets. So to make this particular pattern, we require even number of chains as the starting foundation chains. So this particular piece I worked with Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill baby blue yarn, and its color code is 2007, but I'll be demonstrating with the baby cake yarn. Okay, let me make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 16 chains. To begin with, place a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and one SC in each stitch all across, each chain all across. Instead, you can make odd number of foundation single crochets and start your work. So let me make the single crochets and get back to you. I have made the single crochets. I have 15 single crochets, so chain one, turn, single crochet in the very first stitch, then extra extended single crochet, chain, insert hook, pull through yarn, yarn over, pull through one, again yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through rest of the chains. Now single crochet. Now extended, extra extended single crochet. Now single crochet in the next. Continue till the end. Repeat this stitch pattern till the end. I shall meet you at the end. So come to the end of the row here. Last but one, the second last is extra extended single crochet. Now single crochet in the last one. Now next, chain one, turn, place one single crochet in each of the stitches all across. I shall meet you at the end of the row. I have placed one single crochet on each of the stitches. Now chain one, turn, place single crochet in the very first and one single crochet in the second, and then place extra extended single crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, again alternate, extra extended single crochet, single crochet. This is the stitch repeat for this particular row. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end, 2 stitches before. I'm left with 2 stitches here, so I have done the extra extended single crochet 2 stitches before. Now I place my single crochet and one single crochet in the very last stitch. So the next row is definitely going to be a placement of single crochet in each of the stitches all across. So continue placing one single crochet each on each of the stitches. I shall meet you at the end of this row. I have placed one single crochet on each of the stitches and I counted it to be 15 as I started with. So this is one complete set of pattern repeat. Rows 2 to 5 are the pattern repeats for this particular stitch. So continue, repeat these rows to the desired length of your project, and this makes a great stitch for fabric that is wearables and that is gentle also. It will be gentle also, and this fabric will be very good on your all type of wearables, and especially for babies too. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of all the videos that we upload each and every day. Please do like and share our videos. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.